Hello folks, this is the ML320 and I have a problem with the lock which gives you machine gun sound. So this is the old car I purchased from ECS. Yeah. Now this is a step that I took to take this out. The main important thing, you gotta take this airbag for rivets. And there are one screw here, and another screw here. And to remove the handle, there's a hidden, see this right here? Right here. There's a, you gotta use this 532 packs. And here's the screw right here on the side view, okay? 532 to remove this guy. And then you just pull it off through down. Very tight position. Place the lock. Two hole comes out and plug in. Just plug in two hole, so it fits like this. You see it? And this is the side. Make sure the handles are off. And I am going to, where did it go? Put this guy back in there. Okay? That thing is like this. In this position? No. In this position. First install this lock and then you slide this back in. And then remember, hex screw, okay? And then you set this guy right here, two screw, far away, okay? Two screw. Put that bracket back in there. 사진 찍어봐 이렇게. 사진이나 찍으세요. 이렇게. 찍으면 여기만 찍으면 돼. 여기 보고. 좀 찍어야 돼. 길게 나오나? 여기 멀리서 찍어 멀리서. Like this.
저거 눌러?
예. 내가 하고 있어요. 녹음되는 중이에요 지금.
눌러?
눌렀어요. 괜찮아요 그냥. So this here, you tilt it like this, and put it in. And on this side, put this guy first. Like that. Good to go. And this guy, put back in. this. Perfect. Okay. Take it out. Pull it out.
조이면 되겠지. 보도가 잡을 게 있을 거야.
I think I made some scratches, so be careful in this. And then you need to lock it right here. Okay, you need to lock the bracket for here. So I have locked the bracket. So this here, put it back. 2. Okay, 다시. 1, 2, 3. The rivet. You need this.
요거
아니.
어때가?
This is 3/16 5mm aluminum. You need to rivet right here.
이렇게 두면 더 좋고.
1,
아니, 이렇게 있으면
2,
이렇게
3, 4.
밑에 넣고 이렇게
Airbag.
잡아당기면 더 좋고. 그래서 이렇게 놓고 잡아.